Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gmail to block suspicious senders and phishing attempts step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Log into your Gmail account with your username and password. Once you're in your inbox, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Scroll down to find the section labeled Create a New Filter. In the From field, enter the email address or domain you wish to block. Click the Create Filter button at the bottom right of the filter box. A new window will open with several options. Check the box next to Delete It to send emails from this sender directly to the trash. You can also check Mark as Spam to flag it as a spam email. Once you've selected your preferred options, click the Create Filter button. Your filter will now be active, blocking emails from the specified. To enhance your protection against phishing attempts, go back to the Gmail Settings menu. Click on the General tab. Scroll down to the Phishing and Malware section. Ensure that the option for Enable Phishing Protection is checked. This will help Gmail alert you to potential phishing threats. Finally, regularly review your spam and trash folders to ensure no important emails are lost. By following these steps, you can effectively block suspicious senders and reduce the risk of phishing attempts in your Gmail account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.